In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a video to 1080p. If you're preparing content for social platforms, presentations, or just want a clean, high-definition version of your footage, 1080p is a great balance between quality and file size. It delivers a crisp, full HD image that looks sharp on phones, tablets, and most monitors. First, open CapCut. This is the app we'll use to handle the conversion. The interface is straightforward, and even if you're new to it, you'll be ready to export in just a couple of minutes. Give the app a moment to load your media library so it can find your clips quickly. Next, tap New Project. This creates a fresh editing workspace. Don't worry, you don't have to make any edits unless you want to. Opening a new project simply lets CapCut prepare your video for export with the settings you choose. You'll see a timeline appear, which is just a visual way of representing your clip from start to finish. Now import your video. Select the clip you want to convert from your device's gallery or files. After you tap it, CapCut will bring it into the project. You can scrub through to preview and confirm it's the right one. Importing doesn't change the original file. It only creates a working copy inside the app so you can export it at the resolution you want. When you're ready, tap Export in the top right corner. This opens the export panel where the most important settings live. We're focusing on two things: resolution and frame rate. Set the resolution to 1080p. This tells CapCut to produce a full HD file. If your source video is lower than 1080p, CapCut will upscale it so it fits that format. It won't invent new detail, but it will standardize the size for consistent playback across platforms. If your source is higher, such as 4K, choosing 1080p will downscale it, often reducing file size while keeping it sharp. For frame rate, choose 30 or 60 if you want to adjust it. 30 frames per second is a solid, widely compatible choice for most content. 60 frames per second offers smoother motion, which can look great for sports, gaming, or fast action, but it may increase file size. Matching your original frame rate can help preserve the natural motion of your clip. Finally, tap Export. You'll see a progress bar as CapCut processes the new file. Export time depends on clip length, resolution, and your device's performance. Keep the app open until it finishes. Once it's done, your 1080p video is ready to share, post, or archive. That's it. Simple, clean, and professional.